Hello friends, welcome to another video. In this video I am going to share tips and tricks to grow balsam plants in your garden. These are ornamental flowers which will add colors to your garden. I am using normal garden soil and I just sow the seeds on top of the soil and just cover it with a thin layer of soil and keep it in a bright shaded area so that it gets enough warmth to germinate. You need to moisten soil whenever it is dry so that the seeds get enough water and sunlight for fast germination. At a temperature of 29 degrees Celsius during daytime, it took around 7 days for me to germinate the seeds. In 3 weeks time, the plants are mature enough to bear flowers. So you can use slow releasing flowering fertilizer 1 spoon bi-weekly, and regular watering will make the plant bloom faster. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my channel for more videos.